So today we're gonna show you how to reset Mitel model is 6867i. I just powered it up through the PoE. So yeah, I'm just gonna reset it. Just turn it on. You go to setting, click on advanced. It's gonna ask for admin password, which is 5 times 2. So 1 2 3 4 5, and then we just enter, and then we scroll down, go to the reset option, click OK, and then factory default, and then we say yes, and it's just gonna restart and restore to default. So again, just use PoE switch, turn it on. When it's on, just click on setting and advance. The password is 5 times 2, and then go to the reset and restore it to default. That's all for today. Thank you.